and we're back on the bridge, and that's where they're constructing, and I don't know what they're doing that for, but this is the bridge that's got all the bullet holes and around the walls from 1915 or thereabouts. I can get around these darn tourists. Okay, via. Here's another nice street. Un'altra bella via. The thing is so bad is rattling the shit out of the camera. Sì.
Signore, mi avevamo chiesto prima una cosa in inglese, però.
Merita un photo, this one. Have a look at that. Wow. Check this out. I'm gonna get a photo of this little baby. Ah, it's an architect's house. Mi piaceva avere una casa così. I'd love to have a house like this. Hey Mick, what do you reckon? We can retire here. Come on. Retire here. By the lakeside. Okay. Io mi metto da qui, I'll just go this way a bit. They're building a temporary wharf of sorts so that they can access the bridge. Because there's a danger it may collapse, so they've got to put supports and things. Yep. Là c'è quella grande villa.
Questa qua è la villa di Diesel, vedi?
Bit of sculpture. Ah, scusi. Olympia, wow. Buongiorno. Avete bandana, signore? Delle bandana. Bandana? Bandana? That's Kimi Räikkönen's Colnago. Look at all the cities. Sì. Ma voleva quella blu, scusi. S-Works. That's a customer's bike, I'd say. Jesus, look at that one over there. These electric motor mountain bikes. I wonder if I bought my Lima here. I went to, I think it was a different shop. Cannondales. This is the new Cannondale. Warranty card. Oh. Colnago. Oh, the Ferrari Colnago. Oops. You can get to see that. Cannondale. Olympia. That's a nice looking mountain bike. See that, Al? The Scapin mountain bike. Nice. Andiamo, sì. Oh, we're not on the other side of the road. As usual, there's heavy traffic in this area. I think we're going somewhere for a bit of a drink. There he goes, he's indicating. Gelato. Lots of lovely ice cream. A gelato. $2.60. A bit more expensive than downtown. $2.50. See the prices? Yeah, it's a bit higher in price. We're at Ciclipola Rosa, and that's one of the team cars, and it's a van. This guy assembles Pinarello for a lot of people, including Luca, who's got, what a workshop. Wow, check it out. Fantastic. 1989, there's Maurizio. Wow. There's a third room in here. and this is the shop. Huh? Oop. Just slid down this thing. Jesus. Would have taken a chunk out of my cleats. Look at the outfits. Polar. Look at them all. Notice one thing, you see how nice one. Let's get that, eh? See the shop? Oh well. Let's go and see what's going on here. Apparently he's actually mounting a Pinarello F10 at the moment, as you can see. He's assembling it. Now I know that this is slippery.
Questo è Team
Sky. And he's got the specs there. Dura Ace. He's assembling it. He's putting all the bearings and things in place. The Polar frame. Polo says he patented the name first, and then Polar, the monitors that we know, might have copied, but these frames, or not that frame, these frames here, this frame here is 2,000 euros, and it looks very much like a Willio. Taking a detour home. I'm in Castello di Godego, some huge villa here. Now I gotta find the church. Let me see. Piave. Yeah, Roman Piave. Let me see. Ah, Via San Antonio. That's it. Sherpa Land. Via San Antonio. I'm gonna miss this place. Ah well. I hope some of you make the effort to come here. Well worth it for all the reasons. Food, clothing, shoes, you name it. Whatever, bikes. Landmark water tower that always tells you that, yeah, the roads are crap. The landmark water tower that tells you that Sherpas or Soullimit sports clothing factory is just down the road, and all the cornfields, corn everywhere. Been too busy looking because I missed this sign completely, and here it is. This is where all the clothing is made. Soullimit, that is. I mean, there are heaps of other clothing manufacturers. Soul. 5:15. I'm heading back to Citadella with the usual strong headwind in Castello di Godego. There's the Bigelow Furniture Factory. I'm on Strada 53, the SS 53, and just out of Castello di Godego, heading back to Citadella. Bassano, Veneto and Castiglione on the way to Castello di Godego. And of course, as I said, Bassano Veneto is the Willia heartland. There it is. Pizzeria da Franco. Very good. Pizzas are 6 to 7 and 8 euros each, and that's a meal. So you can eat for 10 bucks or less. Okay. Let's see what happens here. If you're in a car, you go around the city, then into the particular Borgo that you might want to visit, I guess. Oops. Car coming this way, plus there's the cops back there, so we'll stop for a second here. All around. And we now go into the town. Hopefully she won't move. Bloody motorbikes. And we're in. Caught the weight of the camera. Ooh, it looks like they're redoing all the paving work. Now let me see if I can pick Borgo. I'll pick this way, see what happens. No. There's a pharmacy there. Okay, we'll see anyway. This is Borgo Padova. If you follow the road straight through, you'll end up in Padova, and on the way there you'll see Santa Maria. Oops. That's the shit-a-brick. That's the garden where they had the music on last night or the night before. Yeah. Are there carp down there? No, they're dirty big trout. Wow. Now let's see if we can get through this without any, oh, miracle. And on the way home. Can't wait for that Peravena beer, mate. Oh, chuck it in the freezer. Been a good day. Hope tomorrow will be good too. We're going to Trento by train. Can't wait to get on that train. I've been to Facca. That's where I'm staying, Santa Maria verso Facca. And after some 10 minutes plus at the railway crossing, 2 little goods trains by Aussie standards, 1 local train, more than 10 minutes chatting with 2 young dudes on a big yam and a big Kawasaki motorcycles. And there's that bloody big villa again. See the hedge and fencing. There's Claudio, Marco, his son I think it is. I don't know if they saw me. Of health and safety, cars parked on the footpath, more or less. Usually there's a car parked clean on this bikeway. The bar's closed today, it's their rest day. Yeah, here we are, Santa Maria. There's a bed and breakfast, La Bicicletta, just around the corner there, and there's a bed and breakfast. Actually you can see it from there. You see that little white bike just there? That's the bed and breakfast, and there's one diagonally opposite just about. And I'm here, home. I'm gonna go check my phone in a moment. Is he open? Yeah.